Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Ramesh MC, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government College for Women, Mandya, Department of Economics. My research paper on growth and performance of micro, small, and medium enterprises in India. An overview. So this paper analyzing impact of the MSME sector. It is how to employment generation in the economy and investment on sustainable economic growth of the economy. So MSME sector, it is significant contribution to the gross domestic product, exports and employment. In an environment of sustainable high economic growth, economic reforms and opening of the Indian economy. The role and importance of the MSME sector has become more significant. The sector characterized by low investment requirement, operational flexibility, location-wise mobility, and import substitutions. MSME sector have been playing an important role in overall economic development of a country like India and have the advantage of providing gainful employment opportunities with low investment and reduce regional disparities through dispersal of industries into rural, semi-urban and backward areas. This study makes an attempt to study the growth and performance of micro, small, medium enterprises in India in terms of increase in the number of working units and employment investment level in the recent past. This paper also tries to identify the problems faced by these units and the policy initiatives taken by the government. So, the Indian MSME is recognized as a major contribution in the economic growth of the economy. It is said to be the backbone of the Indian economy. It has provided to the global economic shocks and advertise. Nearly 20% of the Indian MSME are based on the rural area of India and continues to provide employment opportunities to nearly 40% of the India's labor force. According to Reserve Bank of India 2019, in the year 2018 and 19, the MSME sector comprised of more than 51 million enterprises employing more than 117 million persons. The MSME manufacture more than 8,000 products in the country. The encompasses a wide range from the traditional product to sophisticated products in terms of high technological items. MSME sector have been playing an important role in overall economic development of country like India and have the advantage of providing gainful employment opportunities with low investment and reduce regional disparities through dispersal of industries into rural, semi-urban and backward areas. This sector solves the problem of poverty and unemployment by providing immediate large-scale employment with low investment. This sector have been recognized as an engine of growth all over the world. The Ministry of Small Scale Industry assists the states in their efforts to promote the growth and development of small scale industry to generate more employment opportunities and enhance their competitiveness. The Government of India has initiated several policies for the growth and development of MSMEs. The MSME sector has played a significant role in the economic development of the country during the past 5 decades. It has shown remarkable contribution to the overall growth in terms of gross domestic product, employment generation, and exports. The strength of the small scale enterprises lies in their widespread dispersal in rural, semi urban, and urban areas. So, components of small scale industry. The components of small scale industries and micro small enterprises is an industrial undertaking is defined as a small scale units if the investment in fixed assets in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 10 million. The small scale units can get registered with the Directorate of Industries or district center in the state government concerned. So, an ancillary industrial undertaking which is engaged or is proposed to be engaged in the manufacture or production of parts, components, sub-assemblies, rendering of services not less than 50% of its production or services with an investment in plant and machinery not exceeding rupees 10 million. Tiny enterprises, a tiny unit is one for which investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 2.5 million irrespective of the location of the unit. And medium enterprises and industrial undertaking is defined as a medium enterprises is investment fixed assets in the machinery is more than 10 million investment. So these MSME sector totally contribute to the maximum benefit to the economy. So micro enterprises investment up to rupees 25 lakh, small enterprises investment above rupees 25 lakh and up to 5 crore, medium enterprises investment above rupees 5 crore and up to 10 crores. So here overview of the Indian MSME sector. Over the past 5 years, the small sector and MSME sector has emerged as dynamic and vibrant segment of Indian economy. It provides employment and industrialization to rural and backward areas, thereby promotes equitable distribution of national income and reduce the regional imbalances. These small-scale units is large-scale industries by operating as supplementary units which add to socio-economic development. MSME sector constitutes of 36 million units providing employment to over 80 million persons with a contribution of 8% to the gross domestic product. Some of the leading industries of MSME are retail trade, manufacturing, apparel, manufacturers of food and beverages, other services and business activities like hotels and restaurants, sales, maintenance of motor vehicles and cycles, furniture, etc. So, totally micro, small and medium enterprises give the higher priority to the development of the Indian economy. So this study reveals that there is a significant increase in the number of working enterprises, employment and market value of fixed assets of the MSME sector. The study also states that the contribution of this sector to GDP in the manufacturing and service sector increased to only to a little extent. However, in spite of the measure taken by the government to improve the productivity of the MSME sector, contribution to GDP has not increased to acceptable level. So thus it it is suggested that the government has to adopt certain new approach like integrated policy, efficient governance, promote skill development, accessibility to credit through government agencies, particularly to MSME to increase productivity and contribution to economic growth. So, thank you, one and all.